Hey everybody, it's Audrey from Audrey Lynn Studios. I'm just popping on here because I had a subscriber who asked how my wheel is set up. She was saying she's an absolute newbie, and sometimes us creators forget that there are people that are watching our vids that are absolute new at pottery. So because she was wondering why I have two sources of water here. So anyway, I'll show you. Okay, I think this is gonna work. It's always hard in a small space to find a decent place to put your camera. Anyway, so here's my Scout wheel, and I'm going to be using a bat system. I like this wheel because I can take the wheel head off, pull the pan off, take it outside, and hose it off. That's just me. There's other ones that drain. There's the shampoo whispers where the tray comes off as well. I find them a little convoluted, but you know, maybe that's just me. So, all right, so bat system on the pins. There we go. And the insert. Always have my cloth with me. Ooh, that looks terrible. That's not a very clean cloth. That's your lungs. Don't do that. Okay, turn on your wheel. So, this water is the water that I use when I throw. This is my pool noodle, and this is where my needle tool goes. And my rib, and yeah, right, it's not here, so just a second. Okay, this tool. Love this tool. Like, seriously, I'm gonna get another set just so that I have this tool in case I lose this one. And that goes in there too. All right, now here, I'm just gonna throw a bowl so you can see how I use my setup. Yeah, by all means, tell me how you set up your wheel. Can you see? Yeah, oh, that's not a very good angle, is it? I'll try to stay away from there. Trying to get ready for Valentine's Day. A little bit. I mean, you don't need a lot for Valentine's Day, but it's nice to have something. Okay, so I'm just going to stop because this is not a throwing video. It's why I've got all this water here. So I'm just going to pause you. Okay, so here I've got my bowl, and I'm just going to finish it up. My rim is not too thin, and I'm going to use my trimming tool and just get under here and trim as much of it away as I can on the wheel. There we go. I think I'll even put a little swirl in here. A little one, just not a big one, just a little one. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to make it into a heart, so I'm going to use my bat pins as a guide. like just a subtle heart. That way you have more bowl space. Okay, so this is where I use this over here. Now this water, because I hate having my hands all mucky when I pull out my insert. But in this water, I keep my tools that I use to compress the bottom, my big sponge to wash my hands, my little sponge to clean up my wheel every time because I don't like a really mucky wheel either, and things like my ruler so that it's always clean, and my telescope sponge from Zine when I do mugs and so on. So that's why I have this big bucket of water here, to keep those tools always, not mucky, clean, they're wet and clean, and that big sponge to wipe my hands. And then my little towel, then I get my screwdriver, which I don't have here right now because I moved everything around. Here we go, pull out my insert. The screwdriver will be over here next time. And here we go, a heart bowl. But that's why I have this set up. Okay, I hope that helps, and I hope I haven't missed anything. Oops, and I forgot to mention that I have my trolley here. And that's where all my thrown pieces go.